Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You're starting now, locate the file and make one quick backup copy. Once done, enable visible extensions in your file manager so you see PDF. Then, click the file name to edit it, remove the PDF suffix and press Enter. You'll often get a warning about changing file type. Make sure to accept it only if you intend the file to be treated differently. This direct rename is the fastest way. It works for single files, and when extensions are visible, you avoid accidental mistakes. You can continue with the command line for power and scale. On Windows PowerShell, use rename item document, PDF document, or a loop to remove PDF from many files. On Mac OS or Linux, use MV file. PDF file, always quote names with spaces. Once done, verify with ls or dir so you see results. If automating, test on a small folder first. This approach is faster for dozens or thousands of files, and it explicitly shows why each file was changed. Finish by testing a renamed file, open it, make sure the app you expect still works. If it doesn't, restore the PDF or change the default application accordingly. If the OS blocks the rename, check permissions, run as administrator or use sudo, and ensure the file isn't in use. Once done, confirm in your file manager that extensions remain hidden or visible per preference. If the extension reappears, clear the file association cache or disable hide known extensions so you control the file name directly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.